Once upon a time, in a big kingdom ruled by a wise Muslim king named Sultan, something important went missing. It was a special gem called the Star of Serenity. People believed it brought peace to the kingdom. One night, a sneaky thief managed to steal the precious gem from the king's treasure room. Everyone was scared and worried. They thought the king might not be able to find it. But Sultan Ahmed was really clever and fair. He called his helpers and smart people from the kingdom. He said, "We need to find the thief and get back the Star of Serenity. It's not just about money, it's about making our kingdom peaceful." They looked everywhere for clues. Then, they found an old story that said the gem would shine the brightest around someone who felt really sorry for what they did. Sultan Ahmed told everyone in the kingdom, "To find the thief, we need to find someone with a heavy heart, someone who wants to make things right." Days went by, and they kept searching. One evening, a poor beggar came to the palace. He was crying and said he took the gem because he was desperate. He felt really bad about it. Sultan Ahmed saw the honesty in the beggar's eyes. As soon as the beggar walked in, the stolen gem lit up, showing that he was telling the truth. Instead of punishing the beggar, Sultan Ahmed did something amazing. He hugged the beggar and said, "Because you were honest and sorry, the Star of Serenity shines even brighter. Your heart has found peace." The whole kingdom celebrated, not just because they got the gem back, but because they had a kind and fair king. Alright, it's a lesson that we can learn from this wonderful story. Always tell the truth. When you make a mistake, don't be afraid to say sorry and be honest about it.